In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Wise and transfer funds. To get started, open your Wise account and log in. From the Home section, choose the currency you want to receive from PayPal, such as US dollars, if that matches the payments you'll be withdrawing. Then open Account Details and copy the bank information shown there. It's important to use these details exactly as provided because even a small mismatch can cause problems when linking the account later. Also, keep in mind that Wise Notes Business or freelance payments may require a Wise Business account, while personal payments should go to a personal account where applicable. Next, open PayPal and sign into your account. Go to your wallet, then select the option to link a bank account. In some cases, Wise may not appear in PayPal's suggested bank list, and that's completely fine. If that happens, choose the option to manually add your bank details instead. Now enter your Wise account information into PayPal exactly as it appears in Wise. Depending on the currency and country, PayPal may ask for different banking details. This can include the account holder name, account number, routing number, sort code, IBAN, or bank name. The exact fields will vary, so take your time and make sure everything matches your Wise account details correctly. After that, complete PayPal's verification process. PayPal may use micro deposits or another verification method depending on your location. Just follow the instructions shown in your PayPal account and wait until the linked bank account is confirmed. This step is essential before you can successfully move money out of PayPal. Once your Wise account is linked and verified, go back to your PayPal wallet, select Transfer Money, then choose Transfer to your bank. Pick the Wise account you just linked, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and carefully review the fee and exchange rate shown by PayPal before confirming. This review is worth paying attention to, especially if you are transferring across currencies. After PayPal processes the withdrawal, open Wise and check the relevant currency balance along with your transactions section to confirm the payment has arrived. This helps you verify that the funds were sent to the correct balance. When the money is available in Wise, select that currency balance. If you want to change it into another currency, tap Convert, choose your destination currency, review the rate and fee, and then confirm. After that, you can send the money from Wise to your own bank account.